What's the meaning of age-old? Age-old. 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 The term age-old refers to something that has existed or been in use for a very long time, often many generations or centuries. It implies a sense of enduring tradition or heritage, and may convey a certain level of respect or reverence for the thing being described. Examples of age-old practices could include cultural customs, traditions, or even natural phenomena like the changing of the seasons. The phrase is often used to suggest a connection to history or a timeless quality, and can be applied to a wide range of subjects.